How to create Wix landing page. So hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process and how you can make a free website using your Wix account. So let's get started. So in here I have already logged into my Wix account. So what we're going to do is to click on the ellipses button in the upper right hand corner, and we're going to create a new site right here. So when you click on create new site, it will basically route you to a separate page. So in this page, you will be asked like a couple of questions. So what kind of website are you creating? Say for example, we're going to create a blog. Now let's continue on next. Next one is what would you like your website to be called? So say for example, I'm going to click on Heya right here. Let's move on. Now, what do you want to add to your website? So if you want to add a blog, a chat, a form to your website, then you can just tick on the boxes right there. So as for me, I just want to have like the chat option and the blog option. So let's continue. Now let's move on and let's begin with a template right here. So click on begin with a template, but if you want to have your custom built site and let Wix create your site for you, then you can click on the second option. But let's start from scratch. So let's begin with the template. When you click on this option, basically it will route you in this section where you need to pick your website template. So here, there are a couple of templates that you can actually see. So you just need to scroll over and hover around which template suits the kind of blog post that you would like to create best. So there, you just need to pick one, and in the upper right hand corner, okay, so before moving on to that, you can actually click on the view and edit page if you want to make use. Now here in the search template, so you just need to input landing page since we're gonna create a landing page specifically for this tutorial video. So here we can actually see a couple of templates that we can make use of. Just choose the type of template that you would like to make use. So say for example, I want to make use of this creative CV template right here. So we can click on the edit button. And after that, we will basically be routed to a separate page afterwards. So here in this section, we will be routed to this page, which is our Wix website editor. So in the Wix website editor, we can actually edit the elements that are within the page, basically. And it may take some time for the page to load. So that actually depends on the kind of processor that you have, especially. And also your internet connection. Okay. So now that we have our website loading, so what we're going to do next is to simply wait for it to load. Okay, now we have successfully, our website has successfully loaded. And in here, we just need to click on the quick edit option. And basically, you can do quick edits in this section with section background, your layout, the column, background, the image, and the likes. You could also do or edit the title section and all the things right there. Okay. Now, if, say for example, we want to change the section background, what we can do is that we can change it to a certain color if you'd like to, or you could select an image. So there, if you want to add an image, you can actually upload media from your Drive, Instagram, Facebook, and even from your computer. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna upload from my computer, and then basically it will route me to this section. So here I'm just gonna look for the picture that I want to make use of. So let's say for example, I'm gonna make use of this picture. Okay. Alright, so say for instance, I'm gonna make use of this picture right here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to wait for the picture to be uploaded onto my Wix account. Once the picture has been uploaded, basically it will change the background of your section background or chosen section. So there, below the picture, you can actually crop and edit, adjust, create a video from it, and cut out the background as well. So click on change background if you're already good with it. So there, let's click on change background. Now here in our Wix website, we can actually do editing. I'm not gonna do a lot of editing right here. I'm just gonna show you how or where to simply click on edit. So say for example, we're gonna go to our quick edit again. So if you wanna change the title section and the body text of the pages, what you can do is that you can go to the quick edit section, and under content you just need to type in like the text that you want to add to your landing page. Say for example, heya, and then here in the paragraph section I'm just gonna add welcome to my blog. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, now, once you have done that editing section for your text, what you can do next is that you can edit the buttons right there. So you could also edit the text and also the website, so that when people click on that specific button, they will be routed to the page where you would want them to be routed. Okay, click on the link and there. Okay, so you just need to input the web address or the URL of that specific page that you would want to add. Okay, now you could also set the links that you would want to add onto your blog post. Say, for example, we don't want to have Twitter onto our social link, so we can delete that one by clicking on delete image, and we can add icons as well in this orange button. You just need to click on that one. And then afterwards, you're going to simply click on upload media there. So here, say for example, we're gonna search for Spotify. So here in Spotify, let's hit it. And then there. So we have added our Spotify icon. And then we have set our social links. So here in the left-hand panel, you could also do some editing. Like for example, you want to add the elements, you can click on this plus icon right here. And then if you want to add some sections, you can add that one by clicking on the second option. And then here in the third page, you can have your pages and menus. All right, so in this section, you can add like pages of your blogs. Here, you can add sections of your welcome page as well. So here in the pages section, you can actually delete a page. Say for example, we want to delete this one or hide this one, so we can click on hide and we'll retain our landing page right here. Now under site design, what you can do is that you can actually change the site theme and the color as well. So here in the Wix app market, this is especially useful for those who have businesses. If you want to like add a um, professional solutions for your online marketing, then you can add that one. But that may cost some price as well. So here in your My Business section, you can actually create a post, manage blog pages, and the likes. In the media section, here you can actually see all the files that you have downloaded and uploaded onto your Wix account. And here you could also add the content manager under content manager section. So once you have done all the editing, you can click on the preview button if you want to check it out, how it looks like. And you could also publish it if you're all good and good to go. So here in the domain section, you can actually get a free wix.com domain, or you could connect to your own customized domain. So right here, I'm gonna simply get a free Wix domain since I don't have my own customized domain, and let's save and continue. So there you have it. And basically that's about it for today's video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.